Yeah.
Everybody look good? Thank you. How's this side look? This might be a little bit.
So here, front touching on the rear. Here.
Yep.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Stop. Okay, can we move forward a little bit?
No, I don't think so. Not yet. I mean,
We just need to wiggle it over.
Go in
Here.
here.
bump it a little
Bump
bit.
it up a little bit. Okay.
Okay,
That's good. That's good. That's good. When we say bump, we just mean bump.
Look real slow now.
All right, come on down.
Slowly, John.
Stop, no more.
There's not really a speed on here.
Can you
Oh,
bump
poor
it,
shit.
just up one down?
Folks, this is the first time they've benched a car, so
Yep, yeah, perfect.
everything's going forward. Everything's fine. Fitting good.
Down a little bit. Slightly down. Up, là.
Okay. Come on down.
We're good up there?
Come on down, sir. Fitting like a glove. There it is. She's on the bench, folks. Na 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 na. Here we go. Fitting like a glove. Oh yeah. It's hard to see this one, but it is on.
Basically,
Beautiful.
as you are not on the what you see
Okay.
here, that you can discuss them also like basically you have some space, you have like 1 inch maybe where